ಗುಡ್ ಮಾರ್ನಿಂಗ್ ಮೈ ಡಿಯರ್ ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ಸ್, ವೆಲ್ಕಮ್ ಟು ಆರ್ ಎಚ್ ಕೆಮಿಸ್ಟ್ರಿ. ಸೊ ಇವತ್ತು ಬೆಳಗ್ಗೆ ಕೆ ಇ ಎದವರು ಎಚ್ಚೆತ್ಕೊಂಡು ಒಂದು ನೋಟಿಫಿಕೇಷನ್ನ ರಿಲೀಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಕಾಣ್ಬೋದು ಕೆ ಇ ವೆಬ್ಸೈಟಲ್ಲಿ ಕೆಳಗಡೆ ನೀವು ಸ್ಕ್ರೋಲ್ ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ ಯು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಸಿ 19/11/2020, 19/11/2020 2 ಲೀಸ್ಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ದೇ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ರಿಲೀಸ್ಡ್. ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಒನ್ ಈಸ್ ಅರ್ಹ ಅಭ್ಯರ್ಥಿಗಳ ತಾತ್ಕಾಲಿಕ ಪಟ್ಟಿ, ವಿಚ್ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ಪ್ರೊವಿಷನಲ್ ಲೀಸ್ಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಎಲಿಜಿಬಲ್ ಕ್ಯಾಂಡಿಡೇಟ್ಸ್. Provisional list of non-eligible candidates list is released. So you can click on this and you can download this particular list, and this list I will give it in the telegram group also. Please join me in the telegram. The link is given in the description box, right? So now I will show you these two lists. In this particular case I have already downloaded here. See, first list is there for eligible list. So this is the list you can see for eligible candidate lists, right? So provisional, final list of eligible candidate, it is there. So here clearly if you see the instructions, so this list is only to, it will explains that whether you are eligible or not. It is not telling that you are going to get the seat based on this particular list. And SC, ST, OBC eligible criteria will be there for only Karnataka students. If there is any mistake is there in this particular list, which means if your caste is wrong, category is wrong, clause is wrong, father name, mother name, candidates, if it is not there, see, which means if there is any mistake, if you see, then you have to tell to the KEA within 19/11/2020. ಅಂದರೆ ಇವತ್ತು ಸಂಜೆ ಒಳಗೇನೆ ನೀವು ಅವರಿಗೆ ಹೇಳಬೇಕಾಗ್ತದೆ. ಅದನ್ನು ನೀವು ಮೇಲ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಹೇಳ್ತಿರೋ, ಕಾಲ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಹೇಳ್ತಿರೋ ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ, ಯಾಕಂದರೆ ಯಾವ ಕಡೆಯಿಂದನೂ ರಿಪ್ಲೈ ಅಂತೂ ಅವರು ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಸೊ ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಡಿಪೆಂಡ್ಸ್ ಆನ್ ಯು ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಕೆ ಇ. ಬಟ್ ರಿಮೆಂಬರ್, ಶುಡ್ ಬ್ರಿಂಗ್ ಇಟ್ ಟು ದ ನೋಟಿಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಕೆ ಇ ವಿದಿನ್ 19/11/2020. ಸೊ ಇದರೊಳಗೆ ಹೇಗೆ ಇದನ್ನು ಓದಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀನಿ. ಹೇಗೆ ನೋಡಬೇಕು ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ, ಫಾರ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ ಪ್ರತಿಭಾ ಆರ್. ಸೊ ಕ್ಯಾಂಡಿಡೇಟ್ಸ್ ನೇಮ್ ಪ್ರತಿಭಾ ಆರ್, father's name Ranganath, mother's name Dakshayani. Like that, nationality Indian, clause A, category 2A. It is not like clause A no, category no. Don't read it like this. So HK no, rural no, Kannada medium no. Like this you have to read. It is not like Indian no, clause A no, category A no. This is wrong. Remember, Jammu Kashmir no, special category no, NRI ward no. Religious minority no, linguistic minority no. Like this you have to read this particular verified list, eligibility list. Remember that. So you can go through this particular list, you can check this particular names also, and finally how many names are there you can see that. So these many names are there, the serial number is not given, fine. So you have to cross check with this particular thing, and your NEET roll number will be given, see, and NEET score will be given, and NEET all India rank will be given, right? So application number will be given, income is 0, income is not there, CET number will be given. So these are the things you have to read in this particular case. This is first list, eligible list. Second list, non-eligible list, I am going to show you now. So this is, you can see, non-eligible list. So in this particular list, you can see here, I will show you provisional list of verified not eligible list, right? So first page will go, and this list how you have to read, that also I will tell you, right? So provisional list of verified but not eligible and insufficient documents. In this, if your name is there, not necessary to worry, don't take tension. They will give you another chance to upload the documents, another chance to upload the documents. Definitely they will give. Then you have to upload the correct documents without any mistakes. That you have to take care, right? So now you can see how to read this, that I will tell you. So here also see application number and CET number, if it is there it will be given. Candidate's name, father's name and mother's name is there. Nationality, if you see Indian, clause Z it is there because they are open category. I think this student belongs to non-Karnataka students, and category open it is there. HK no, rural no, Kannada no. Don't see like general merit no, clause Z no, like that. Jammu Kashmir no, category, special category no, SNQ quota it is not applicable. Remarks not uploaded, it is there. What is not uploaded? See here, it is given. Income certificate issued by concerned Tahsildar of Karnataka for SC, ST category 1 and general merit candidate to become eligible for engineering SNQ quota for SC, ST candidates. See, one thing I will tell you, if it is there like this, the meaning is that you are eligible. You are eligible, but if you have this, you have to upload. If you upload this, you will comes under this particular SNQ quota. It is there. Why they are telling, I don't know, but SNQ quota is not applicable for NEET or this MBBS or BDS. Fine. Once again they are confusing the student, but here I will tell you, see, not uploaded CET 2020 admission ticket or NEET hall ticket, which means they have not uploaded the NEET hall ticket. So once again they will give the chance to upload the documents. You have to upload it very clearly. So that is very, very important. Here also, such students not necessary to worry. Wherever you will see this, not necessary to worry, you are coming under general merit, no worries. But whenever you will see such a case, you have to take care that you have to upload. See here also you can see 10th marks card or SLC marks card, it is not uploaded. Second PUC marks card, it is not uploaded. In such case you have to take care. Otherwise your eligibility will be changed, which means you will become non-eligible permanently. Because of that reason, you have to go through this particular list correctly. Religious certificate. See here I will tell you, religious minority certificate, if you have, you have to upload. If you don't have, not necessary to worry. Only thing is, you will not be allotted any seats in this category. You are not become non-eligible. Don't worry about that. But you will not allotted with any seat under this category. So remember that. This you have to take care. Very, very important point. Like that, if you go on see, so in all these cases, SLC marks card, second PUC marks card, it is not uploaded. Those things you have to be very carefully, you have to see. So like this, you cross check your name which is there in non-eligible list or eligible list. If your name is in eligible list, need not to worry at all. You have to wait for verification slip and secret key will be given directly. If your name is present in this list, then you have to upload whatever the documents they are mentioning. So if this type of thing is there, then not necessary to worry. If you don't upload also, nothing is going to happen. So, but which you are eligible. But SLC marks card, 10th marks card, rural study certificate, or you can say study certificate of 7 years, these things you have to upload definitely to become eligible for NEET 2020. After this, once again they will give you definitely today evening or tomorrow morning, they will give chance to upload the documents. You have to upload the documents correctly so that you will also get the verification slip. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day.